If you have a cutout image with rough pixelated borders, there's a really simple way to make those edges look softer and more natural in Photopea. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove jagged edges in Photopea step by step so your cutouts blend much better into the background. This is especially useful if you've removed the background from a photo and the outline looks sharp, blocky, or uneven. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and look over to the left toolbar. We're going to use the blur tool for this, and it looks like a little water droplet icon. If you don't see it right away, just click and hold on the tool group where the sharpen or smudge tools are located. A small flyout menu will appear, and from there you can choose the blur tool. Once you select it, move up to the top options bar. This is where you can control how the brush behaves and how strong the effect will be. Start by setting your brush size to something relatively small. You want enough control to work carefully along the edge without affecting the rest of the image. A huge brush can easily soften areas that should stay sharp, so smaller is definitely better here. Next, set the hardness to 0%. This gives you a softer brush edge, which is exactly what you need when you're trying to clean up jagged borders. A soft brush helps blend the pixelated edge more naturally into the background instead of creating a harsh transition. Now zoom in on the area with the rough edge. This step matters a lot because if you're too far out, it's harder to see the little pixel bumps and uneven lines that need cleaning up. The closer you zoom in, the more precise your adjustments will be, and the better your final result will look. With the blur tool selected, gently paint over the jagged border of your cutout image. You do not need to drag across the entire object. In fact, that can make the image look too soft. Instead, focus only on the rough, uneven sections where the edge looks blocky, sharp, or pixelated. Use short, careful strokes and build up the effect slowly. This is really the key here. Don't rush it. Start light, then check your work as you go. If the edge is still looking rough, you can go over it again with another small stroke, but be careful not to overdo it because too much blur can make the subject look fuzzy or out of focus. The goal is to soften the transition, not destroy the detail. If needed, zoom out from time to time and look at the image at a normal viewing size. That way you can see whether the edge still looks natural overall. Sometimes an edge can look slightly soft when zoomed in, but perfect when viewed normally. Checking both close-up and full size helps you make better decisions. This method works especially well for product cutouts, portraits, transparent PNGs, logos with rough edges, and any image where the border looks a little too harsh after background removal. It's a quick fix, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your design looks. So to recap, select the blur tool, set the brush hardness to 0%, keep the brush size small, zoom in close, and gently paint over the jagged edges until they blend smoothly. That's the simplest way to remove jagged edges in Photopea and make your cutouts look much cleaner. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and keep an eye out for more quick editing guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.